Hey, Myers. How's it going? You want to come with me and kill some people? Torture them a little bit? Talk to me, Myers. What the heck? Talk to me. I know you're not deaf. Screw him.
You kill my own Papa.
What'd you say? Myers, you're just a little screw up. That.